My video will help you to remove malicious pop-ups related to the site inolorac.co.ino. inolorac.co.ino is a dangerous site. Right now it targets Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and other browsers. Basically, these pop-ups promote installation of some unwanted browser extensions which may actually operate as adware. So if you see those pop-ups, disregard them and remove any junk extensions from your browser. Access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then get rid of any junk extensions if you detect them on the list. I also recommend you to additionally examine the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and then start carefully researching the system in order to fully identify and eliminate other threats which might still remain stealthily on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.